What's up, everybody? This is a great bunion taping technique that you can do to feel a little more comfortable in your shoes. Now, this is a really good technique for athletes who have bunions, okay? So we're gonna show you how to tape a bunion to give you a little more pain relief. Now, the key to this taping technique is the tape itself. The tape is more of an elastic tape. It's not kinesio tape, it's not any of the KT tapes. It's what's called tensoplast or elastoplast. Okay, and you can look that up on Amazon or throw it in Google. It's cheap and it's easy to use. This tape will give you a little more give in your shoes so you won't irritate the joint, as well as the tension in the tape will tend to keep the big toe over. So check out this real quick taping tutorial. It should help you in your tennis shoes next time you're out trying to do the things you love.
All right, so we'll put this over the toe. And then pull the toe, anchor it to the heel, and lock it right around the heel like this, and then back up. And make sure we got good tension. Put the scissors in. And then one piece of tape to lock it in. I like that. Looks pretty good. Okay.